And of course, the air conditioner just kicks in, which means I'm going to have a harder time editing it.
Rest in pieces.
Hey guys, welcome to another video. I have my daughter with me again today, and
Hi.
we are going to do a first impression of these two new palettes from ColourPop. I'm going to be using the lavender one in a trance, and she's going to be using the peachy pink one, Miss Bliss. And, you know, we've already got most of our base makeup on so that we can go ahead and focus on our eyes.
Need this for a mirror.
And I'm going to show you, I'm not much for lavender or pastel type colors, but what really made me want this one was that pressed glitter in the middle. Even though I have a ton of pressed glitter, I don't know, I just wanted it.
You're allowed to just want it.
I know, and then, you know, that one is actually probably a little more of a color palette that would go better with like my skin tone, honestly, but I immediately thought of her when it came to...
I love the pinks and the peaches. It's a pretty color.
I'm going to go ahead and get started by putting some primer on my eyes.
I already put concealer on my eyes, and I just kind of use that as primer and hope for the best. So I always, not always, but since we did that following a tutorial video, I've started doing my eyeshadow differently.
Oh, really?
Yes. Because usually I would just kind of just really use this one brush, which was like a precision-y brush, and just kind of go at it. But now I've started using a fluffy brush to like lay down a base or something.
Yeah, that's what your person.
Which I didn't know. Like I never did it.
Oh, well, now you know.
I just kind of made it work with my...
Maybe we need to follow more tutorial videos.
Maybe so.
Oh, are you getting started?
Oh yeah.
You
Is
have
that
to
okay?
tell them what you're doing.
I'm using this top middle one. I can't even see if the camera can see it. This top middle one.
And you're going for a darker color. Does it have a name?
Well, yeah, it's called How do you say that? Intuitive?
Intuitive.
Sorry. I was gonna call it Intuition, and my brain just didn't process. But it's really not that dark in person. It's pretty close to my skin tone. It's just we have this light here washing me out, but it's fine. I'm just pale.
And I'm gonna go with this really pale blue color. Let me get it in the camera. Called Future Self. And that's going to be my transition shade. I'm immediately seeing a lot of pickup in the pan.
Mine's not that bad. I mean, mine's just like regular eyeshadow kick up.
But you're seeing some pickup?
Always.
I don't always.
I'm also kind of violent with my brush. I kind of like to poke it.
Oh. Well, I don't always see a lot of pickup. So what would I do?
I mean, watch how I do it. I do kind of stab it.
Well, this is a really ugly shade for me. I'm getting 70s disco vibe, but not the good way. Like the old women who still put the shimmery glue on their face when they should have been that up a long time ago. Yeah. That's what I'm getting right now from this color. But I hope...
Let me see what color you're using.
This really pale blue.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not really a good color.
I just cannot do blues. Like, for the life of me, I cannot do blues.
You should have done this palette then.
No, I would not have been given it a fair try. Because I think blues intimidate me. Because when I was little, all of those little, like, Cinderella-y, princessy makeup palettes would always be very heavy on the blues and the pinks and the purples.
Yeah.
And I would just kind of slap it on my eyes. You know, as a 4-year-old.
But so far, this is totally not pretty.
I mean, this is fine for me. I'm doing fine. Because I'm comfortable with these colors. See, if you weren't making me do the middle one, I would definitely do this one.
Well, you can do that one either like on the inner corner or on one side or something. Or all over and then kind of put that on the top.
I like that.
Yeah.
That one, or maybe that one. Which one do you think? Like one on one side, one on the other?
And then we'll put that...
And go to town?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
No. When eyes are the only thing visible, I want them to match. At least kind of.
Oh no, I meant on put that darker one on the outer corner
Oh, yeah.
and the other one on the inner corner part.
I can try it. And if it doesn't work, makeup wipes exist. I forgot to bring my makeup wipes.
Well, I have those that are oily, but you don't like them.
I don't like the oil ones. They make my skin break out.
Alright, I'm gonna use, because I already have a really ugly color on my face, why not stick with it? This, on your oldest name on it, it's a really purpley, it's basically the color of the packaging. Oh wow, and it has a lot of pickles as well. I don't like that.
Okay, what do I want to do? I want to take... Okay, I'm going in with...
Palo Santo.
Palo Santo. And it is this one. And I'm going to put it on my inner corner.
I'm still building my face. You jumped way ahead.
Well, I don't really know how to do makeup. I just kind of do it until I want to stop. This has a lot of kick up.
This one that I'm using, this purple one, a lot of kick up. I don't like that about it. One negative thing, a lot of kick up. I'm not sure how well these colors would go on someone with really dark skin just because of how pale and weird they are.
Well,
They're not doing on me very well.
you'd probably have to use a concealer or a...
To make it realistic.
Yeah.
Put down a white base. Like a white wet base first.
I mean, my skin is kind of the white base. Call that pretty.
I'm going to put all over my lid this, it's really the darkest color in the palette. It's called Up Level, which I don't understand. Up Level.
It is called Up Level, yes. That is not the darkest color in the palette. Okay, it is. Sorry. It's definitely more red. It's more of a red purple.
And I'm just going to go ahead and put this all over my lid, and I'm going to look forward to putting that shimmer shade on top of it.
See, I put down that like transition shade for nothing. It's just basically there. Just to be there for fun.
Right, now I'm putting some color on my lid. It's not too bad. It's making it look a little better than it was. Ow, I put myself in the eye.
That was not the smartest thing
But
to
this
have
is
done.
definitely a pastel look, and we all know that I love dark looks instead.
Just so y'all know, we're going to a thrift store after this. And we're going to eat.
We're taking Jose to eat with feminist people.
And we're taking Hobo. Hobo can't come in the thrift store. Do you have a big bag?
Not one that will fit in the ho-ho, unfortunately.
Hobo can come in the thrift store.
We probably can't.
It's also not hot, so we can just roll down the windows.
I can see that, I suppose. And I'm looking at that same up-level color because so far it's the one I've liked the most. And I'm going to line my under eye with it.
We can't roll the windows all the way down because I don't trust him to not jump out and kill himself, but we can crack him. Are we taking my car?
Sure.
Okay, we need gas.
Then no.
I have money for gas. That's something that we have to do before we go. Let's get some gas. Okay, I have a problem with symmetry, meaning that this eye will like stop here, like the shimmer will stop here, but then on this eye I end up going way too far, so then I have to make it match, and it just doesn't work. I will say these colors are pretty doggone pigmented, and I don't feel like I'm really having a fish for them, which I have in previous palettes.
Well, I am not getting that vibe from this one.
But watch how I get the glitter on. You see how much kick up it's already starting to have?
Mm-hmm.
See, I've never done a glittery, shimmery thing on the outer corner of my eye before.
Alright, I have some glitter put on my left eye and going into that shimmer, which is called All Aura again. And I'm taking it with my finger. And I'm tapping it right there in the middle, and it's very, very...
I think our glitter shades are the same shade.
Pretty much.
They're basically just white glitter.
I mean, it has some hints of some pastel pinks and purples in it, I think.
Yeah, it's like a little bit unicorn skinny.
Oh look, it's hanging onto my eyelash and it's giving me frosty vibes.
Oh my gosh, like 2000s music video vibes. I'm here for it.
Oh, you know what? I forgot. If you're gonna use eyeliner, it's really good to put it on before you put the glitter.
I'm not gonna use eyeliner. I don't do eyeliner. I cannot draw a straight line.
Well, I think it might be an eyeliner-less look today because I already put my glitter on.
So I'd actually be okay with not putting the glitter on, but she's making me.
It's very frosty.
I find myself doing a kissy face when I do anything with my eyes. I guess it just like pulls everything. I go like, or like that, yeah. So we had choreography recently for one of my groups. And I wore makeup that day because I was really feeling myself and my outfit, and I put on makeup. For those of you who don't know, I'm a college student. That was loud, I'm sorry. And so me doing makeup, like actually doing makeup, is kind of a rarity, though it might not seem like it. So I was really feeling myself. And I got all sweaty because we were doing choreography. So I walked out of there and my makeup had melted off of my face. I had mascara like down here.
Wow.
It was disgusting.
Yeah, I mean, I'm not too mad that I forgot to put my liner on because with such a pale look like this anyway, it's just kind of giving me like winter snow fairy vibes, which the black liner wouldn't really work for, you know?
Yeah. I think I want to try it without the glitter glue because I'm afraid the glitter glue is going to smear my colors.
Yeah.
Is that glitter glue?
Mhm. Yeah.
Okay, it looks kind of Eye of the Tiger-y.
Mhm. Oh, wait, it's good. Oh, wait, next Saturday I think it's supposed to be low in like the low 40s or something.
No. Really?
Uh-huh.
I'll be working at Spirit that day. Can you do my other outfit with glitter glue, please?
Mhm. Yeah, I'm feeling very Snow Princess.
Winter Wonderland-y.
Like the that wait on the Line Witch in the Wardrobe.
Mm-hmm. By the way, that candy, not worth it.
Marzipan. No,
Turkish Delight.
The Turkish Delight is good.
No, it's not worth it.
But we tried marzipan and we did not like that.
It's not worth selling out your family for. Now, if she were to hit me up with a Rolo, maybe so. This is very, like, not compacted.
I know, it's almost like really loose glitter in it.
Yeah.
Kind of strange.
It's like if you breathe on it too hard, it'll fly away. So at Spirit, last year every Saturday in October, we wore costumes.
Mm-hmm.
And we were kind of like promotional for the costumes.
Mm-hmm.
This year, we are not allowed to do that
Oh.
because of COVID. Because we're supposed to like...
Oh, because you will have been touching it?
Yeah. Because we can't touch it and we can't let anybody else try anything on.
Oh, yeah.
And we don't have mannequins in the store. So like a lot of these costumes, you don't know how they're going to look in person until you purchase it, which is kind of annoying.
Mm-hmm. So it might be less sales this year then.
Well, Carly, my manager and my friend, said that they have met goal every single day. They have not been under goal once this whole season. And last year, we were under goal more than we were over. I mean, we met most of the time, but like, for over and under, we were under more than we were over. Here are my eyeballs. Do I get to keep this palette?
You don't like it. You don't like it very much. Hmm?
Who said that?
Me.
You don't like it. That's like when you're a kid and you want to like eat a bite of your parents' food and they just don't want to give it to you. You're not gonna like it. It's nasty. I'm ready for cold weather.
Okay, so this doesn't really go with the look. I should have put with a bluish or something else. But
That doesn't go at all.
I wanted some color on my face.
You have color on your face.
I don't.
Is blue not a color? No.
Something bold, something bright.
No. Nope. Nobody knows. So, I've heard that a lot of other people are experiencing this too. But I've never had acne, really. I've had like a little bit, you know. But it's never been bad enough to be like, oh gosh, she has acne. But lately, with all of this mask wearing and... because, you know, I wear my mask like I'm supposed to. My face has been broken out.
Does this lipstick smell bad to you?
No. And I know it's not just a Peyton King thing. You know, I know other people are having acne issues because of masks. And at first I was thinking that, oh, well, I just need to wash my masks more. But I think I'm genuinely producing more oil because I'm always having something touching my face.
I decided to go with a white liner from a waterline.
You said that as if that was like a big decision.
It is.
There you go then. Then you said it properly.
Alright, my look is complete.
Let me see your lipstick stash.
A mustache? Well, you have to sort through all this stuff.
I didn't bring any of mine.
And then I have some in there.
Red.
Alright, here's my finish. My finish is totally outside of mine. It is totally outside of my normal comfort zone where I'm normally darker, more goth, or more, 90s grunge type thing. But I have the whole berry lipstick going on here and the whole, really pastel and glittery eye. And you're making your potato face.
What is my potato face? Can you make my potato
No,
face?
you can though.
It's like my turtle face. I stick my neck out and I'm like...
It's your potato face.
Sorry.
And if my voice is even more muffled and weird today than normal, it's because my ear is really stopped up and I can't hear anything. Alright, now we must wait for her to finish.
I'm just looking for a lippy stick. This is so pretty.
You're such a potato.
It's how I show my makeup.
Trying to be funny. Look at the camera. You have to do some eyes.
Do that thing with
okay.
your eyes.
Looking at the camera. We're trying to hit our thumbnail.
This should be your thumbnail. Are you doing potato face too? Now you gotta stick your neck out like far.
Yeah, I know potato face too.
You know it's gonna be really cute? Whenever I have a kid and that kid's like 15 years old and they do potato face too.
And we can all do it.
We can all go. Just 3 generations of potato.
Now try to look cute. Posture.
Girl, I can't do posture while I'm sitting on the floor. I could be all regal.
Come here, you don't look here.
Your makeup looks really good in this light.
I know, that's why I look here.
Well, glasses. I can't see now, so.
Look him in the eye. No, we don't have that saying on right now.
Okay, we need to be done. Bye!